Yo guys, happy holidays, Jonathan here, and I'm pretty positive you've seen this statement echoed throughout the internet and probably in real life. So today I am here to agree with that, but not because the iPhone 10 isn't a good phone, it's because I got a bunch to give away. So to clarify, you have a chance to win one of 10 iPhone 10s. Yes, there is definitely a theme going on. Now to enter, it is stupid simple. 1, subscribe to this channel, youtube.com/TLD. 2, subscribe to dbrand, who may have outdone Santa this year, and that's it. Now it's not required, but if you're feeling like being awesome and you want to hit that like button or even share this video, that would be amazing. From there, if a free iPhone was not enough to convince you, instead of giving you 5 reasons not to buy one, here are 5 reasons why you may want one. 1 is the display. OLED is finally here on the iPhone, and that 5.8-inch near bezel-less display, even with a notch, is one of the best out there. It's bright, it's crisp, and I promise you, watching Dream Desk on the iPhone 10 will be at least 10 times better. 2, it is water resistant, and yeah, that's not a new thing, but it's nice to know whether you bought one, you got one for someone else, or you won one from this video, you're not gonna have to worry about getting that shiny new iPhone 10 a little bit wet. 3, the cameras are amazing. Yes, you get great photos, you get portrait mode, but what stands out to me with the iPhone 10 is video. With this, you can shoot 4K video up to 60 frames per second, or you can shoot 1080p video slow motion up to 240 frames per second, which is beautiful. 4 is wireless charging, and much like water resistance, it is not anything, but I promise you, once you use it, you are going to appreciate it. 5, the iPhone 10 is insanely fast, arguably one of the fastest out this year. Plus on top of that, these are wrapped in a beautiful marble or TLD blue skin from dbrand, and the best part about these is they won't cost you a thing. So thank you guys for an amazing year. Good luck to everyone out there. There's a link below you definitely want to check out. This is Jonathan, and I will catch you guys later.